Hi everyone, my name's David and today I'm going to be reviewing this solar powered power bank. So this is 27,000 mega amp hours and I'll just show you how useful this is going to be. So on the side we've got, this is showing you the charge. As soon as we open this, it starts to charge immediately. And as you can see, it's got 4 solar panels, so it's going to charge really fast. That's why it's such a high output. 27,000 mega amp hours is really powerful. As you can see, you've got 2 entrants for the USB ports. This is if you don't want to use a solar panel, you can actually charge it by electric by using the Type-C connector here. But yes, you can take this with you, open it up and let the sunlight charge this. Incredibly useful, especially if you haven't got any electric and you're out camping or something like that. But yeah, you just connect any USB here to your gadgets, your phones. You know, as long as it's not too big to power, it will charge it no problem. Yeah, and that's everything about. Oh, forgot, it also comes with a light on the back. Very powerful as well. Just press on and off to turn it on and off. And that's everything about it. To fold it up, you simply just fold it back up and then you get a clip. And that just clips in and keeps it all solid. So see you on the next one. Thanks everyone.